Matrix, are you ready to make a video about your truck? We're going to do some repairs. This is my 2010 Nissan Titan. Well, technically it's Matrix's truck. I'm just a chauffeur. But I need to replace his headlights. Okay. But these headlights are not looking too good. I do need to replace them with brand new ones. I'm going to be replacing the headlights on this Nissan Titan. I've installed these headlights many years ago, and now I believe it's time to replace them. They're just getting old and discolored. Some of the bulbs no longer work on the Titan, so I've purchased brand new ones to replace these. This is not my normal video where I show how to repair crash damaged vehicles. This is going to be a how-to. Hopefully it's going to help one of you guys, so let's get to it. The first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the negative from the battery, as we're going to be working on electrics on the truck. And I don't like electricity. I don't like those zaps and shocks and everything. They make me jump, so I don't like that kind of thing. So using a 10mm socket or spanner, remove the negative terminal from the battery. Now on my truck, on Matrix's truck, this is an aftermarket front grille, which I have replaced, and it's got awesome new LED lights in there. I'm going to keep this grille, but to remove the grille, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 fasteners. In my case, I've got screws in there, but on the existing Titan, I believe there's some kind of flat screwdriver head pop thing where you twist them and then it removes the grille from the Nissan. I don't have that luxury anymore, as this is aftermarket, so let me get these removed. Man, that was a pain, but got it off. Now the reason why it's such a pain for me is that I've got screws that screw the bottom to the mounting brackets, where on the existing OEM one it's some kind of slide clips. There we go. Now the reason why I've got to remove the front grille is so I can access these 8mm nuts that hold the headlight to the truck. Oh yeah, I've also got to get to... That's broken. Okay. Weight saving. I've also got to get to this plug to unplug it from the headlight assembly. Ooh, that sounded fantastic. That's what you get in Michigan. Rusty, corroded nuts and screws and bolts. I should use some PB blaster before loosening this, but we're too late now. And one on the driver's side. This is also coming off. What is going on? That's an old truck. There we go. Now I'm going to unplug this plug where there's a wire harness that comes from the truck to the headlights. Just like that. Same on the passenger side. So mostly it slides into this clip. Just remove it and unplug it. Now I have an 8mm bolt over here which I'm going to loosen. Same on the driver's side too. Then there's also a bolt that's around this area over here, which you can get from inside of the wheel well. Thankfully, well not thankfully, but my truck had a bit of an accident. As you can see, this piece is missing from the truck, and I'm able to just slide the headlight unit out without removing that bolt. So that's lucky, I guess. Now you can start unplugging the bolts from the headlight assembly, and it should remove just like that. What a mess. So the driver's side is not the part that had the accident. Well, it wasn't really a big accident, just somebody just cut in front of me. I hit my brakes and bang. As you can see, there's no damage done to the truck. It is a Nissan Titan, so really strong truck. And actually I can remove this in one piece. I just realized that, because this fascia clips into the headlight. I do have a replacement fascia, which I'm not going to be using any more LED lights to make it look nice and fancy. You know, it was a cool thing to do back in the day. But I can just remove this whole assembly. I just realized that. Bubba, you got your head in the snow. What are you sniffing? You love snow. So much snow. All the snow. Oh, better than fire. Now these headlights I purchased on Amazon, honestly close to about 2 years ago. I did want to get them on earlier, but life happens. I went back to an OEM look. Hey, everything looks all brand new. Hey. Really good packaging in this box. Really good. Wait, that's not OEM. What did I go with? It's an OEM look, but it's got an LED ring around it. I wanted to go back to the OEM look, but have it all darked out, blacked out. It looks okay in my opinion. I guess it looks a little bit like a Ford F-150, especially with this LED ring around it. Now the reason why I went with this style headlight is it looks OEM, and the old existing ones, what's weird is with these old aftermarket headlights, I couldn't use any LED bulbs. Hey Baba. With these new ones, I am. So it's going to give a much brighter look. So when we're driving and we see a deer, you can go and chase it. I love you too. This is mwah. Gonna get these installed. Let's get these installed. Hey, can you give me a hand? I'm doing all the work here, sir. I am doing all the work. And what are you doing? Taking a nap? Huh? Yes. Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi everybody. Can you speak? Good boy. So the headlights looking good. I did purchase aftermarket LED headlights as well, as this housing is able to use LEDs. And it's going to give me a much brighter look during nighttime. I'm just trying to figure out how to install this. There. I do have to hook up my LED fog lights to the top, which these are daytime running lights, and it's awesome that they actually come with brand new bulbs, so I don't need to replace that or keep the existing old harness. All I'm going to do is just splice into one of these wires, which will then operate my LED headlights at the bottom. Well, they're not headlights, they're more daytime running lights. They got a round yellow glow to them. And what I'm going to do is apply a little bit of dielectric grease to the plugs, just so that it doesn't get any moisture. It's got a better connectivity, and with me being in Michigan, I don't want any corrosion. It's going to make the plug slide easy on and off. Bam. Dielectric grease. Bam. Hooked up. Good to go. Now this little diode thingy, I'm just going to stick it somewhere. It does come with 3M double-sided tape, and I think I'm just going to stick it alongside here. That's out of the way. I don't know why they didn't do that from factory, but whatever. I believe this box actually operates the LED light that's inside the housing. I could be wrong, but that's what I think. If you guys follow my channel, you guys know I use a lot of these splicer connector tools. You can purchase them on Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive, and all you do, just connect, just take a wire. It actually splices it for you. It comes in different sizes. Take, can put on there. Splices into the existing wire, and then I just take the wire for my fog lights, hook it in there, and good connection. When I first did the aftermarket headlights, I didn't have things like this. I didn't know about this. This is new technology. And I'm glad it came out now. Makes life so much easier. I just take a negative wire running from the light, stick it in there, crimp it down. It's waterproof, holds it into place, good to go. Instead of splicing wires, taping them up, soldering them, all that kind of stuff, this does everything for you. I have installed the driver's side, haven't fastened it completely, as I want to turn on the headlight to make sure everything is working for the driver's side. So let's give that a go and see how it looks. Don't forget to reconnect the ground terminal on your battery. Before we get to how the headlights look, switched on and everything like that, this is for my ASMR fans. There we go. So the plug on the LED bulb is reversible. So if it doesn't work, remove it and then flip it upside down or right way, whichever way that's going to work, plug it back in and there it goes. Thank goodness that's all it was. I'm glad that there's no wires that were cut or anything like that. I don't want to trace wires. I don't know about the look. What do you guys think?
Qué rico.
Matrix, sir, your truck is all back together. Do you have anything to say? Thank you would be nice. Why are you looking away like that? I work hard on your truck. You're welcome, Baba. You're welcome. And there we go. My truck's back together. Sorry, Matrix's truck is back together. The reason why I call it Matrix's truck is this is the vehicle that I take him around on. Like for vet appointments, going for dog walks, having some fun, even just for a little cruise. This is his truck. Because this is the only vehicle that he can actually fit in. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this video will help you guys install headlights on your Nissan Titan. If you guys enjoyed this video, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I don't normally do how-to videos. I normally do rebuilding crash damaged vehicles, cars, SUVs, trucks, that kind of thing. So subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. Take a look at my YouTube channel to see other videos that I have going on. Once again guys, thank you very much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, what do you guys think about the headlights? Do you think they look okay? My personal point of view, they look okay. It kind of looks like a Ford F-150 to me. Thank you very much for watching guys, take care.